Hi, I'm Sierra from Alamo Water Softeners. Today I'm going to show you just a few things of how you can verify if there's air in your lines causing cloudy, milky water, or if it's sediment and possibly time for a filter change. So when it comes to cloudy water coming from your reverse osmosis faucet, if you put it in a clear glass or cup just like this, the main way to tell if it's air in the lines is it's going to show a little cloudy, milky coloration, and then it's going to clear up from the top to the bottom. If that happens, all you have to do is run your reverse osmosis faucet until it's emptied out the tank, and that's basically going to push all the air out of the lines, and your water will be more clear after that. If for any reason you start seeing sediment in your water, something along the lines of any type of floaties or anything of that sort that's settled to the bottom like this does, more than likely you're going to need a filter change and your system serviced. So feel free to give us a call at 210-274-6122. Thanks.